This is your Mercedes fuel fill. When your unit is locked, your fuel fill is completely secure. It's a very nice feature the Mercedes offers. Nobody can get into this fuel fill without unlocking and opening this door. You open this door, you can access for filling it with diesel. If you don't want fumes going into the cabin, simply close the door while fueling. When you're done, open the door, replace the cap, and close this door. Inside this door jamb, it's very important that you monitor your tire pressures. Your fronts you want to keep at 61 psi, and your rears you also want to keep at 61 psi. The combined weight of your occupants riding with you and your cargo in this unit should never exceed 1,532 pounds.
It's a lot.
It is a lot. Very rarely would you come close to that. But keep in mind, if you're carrying a full tank of fresh water on board, a full tank of fresh water is going to weigh 304 pounds. So that would be deducted from that 1,532. Continuing down this side, this is your hot water heater. You got an on and off switch here. This is the only place that you can turn this hot water heater on or off. So to use the unit, you have to come out here, turn the switch on to operate, and then on the inside you'll have a knob, a dial. You can adjust the temperature, colder or hotter depending on what you prefer. This is your service center down here, and this does not lock. Also inside here is your propane fill. Just keep in mind it's located on the driver's side, just in front of the rear tires. So when you go to the bulk fill station, you position near the hose. They're going to fill your propane connecting directly to the RV. This is your fresh water tank fill right here. And this is also where you're going to connect to city water. City water is when you're connected to a faucet and you have a supply of water to your coach. You want to use a 50 psi water pressure regulator on the faucet, and then connect the freshwater hose to the regulator and then to the coach. This valve right here you want located down here for city water to the fixtures inside the coach. When you're connected to city water, your unit is pressurized just like your house, and you do not have to use your pump. When you want to fill the tank with fresh water, you've used fresh water out of your onboard tank, you want to refill it, replenish, twist this to the up position. That city water is going to go directly now into your freshwater tank and refill it. It will simply overflow on the ground when it's full, and we'll have tank levels meter inside that you can digitally press and see what your water levels are. This is the emergency shut-off switch. In the event of an emergency, that's why this door does not lock. Anybody can open this door and shut off your propane system in the event of an emergency. This is for park cable input. Most RV parks on their power post where you connect your shore power will also offer you a cable connection. You carry your own section of coax cable, and you'll be able to pick up the local cable channels depending on what area you're camping at. This is storage for your sewer hose. You do not have a sewer hose at this point, and you do not have a fresh water hose or a water pressure regulator at this point. This is your 30 amp shore power input. 30 amp will operate all your systems in the unit, including your roof air conditioner. If you plug in at home or any friend's or relative's house, it does not have 30 amp service available, you can use this adapter to go on the end of your shore power cord and plug into a household 120 AC outlet. Just keep in mind that that outlet, typically on the side of a garage or inside, is only going to be a 15 amp lighting circuit. It will cool your fridge, it'll run all your lights, it'll chill your fridge, it'll send a trickle charge to your house batteries while you're plugged in. It won't be enough amps to run your roof air conditioner.